Kabemono channel and yokoso!
Welcome to foodingeat. Today we are going to review you about KitKat.
As you guys know, right, KitKat, right, all around the world they have many variety of flavors. Like, for example, like exclusive region flavor.
Yeah, that's true. There are 300 types of KitKat flavor.
Wow.
So, are you ready? We're going to try
so
some
excited.
KitKat today.
Let's go.
This is a variety party box. There are 20 types of KitKat flavor in this box.
20?
Yes, 20. Are you ready for calorie shock today? Because I am. Okay, before that we are going to have some tea from the previous unboxing video. So click there for more. Click there to watch our previous one. It's already in here.
There's a very small hint of jasmine aroma.
First, we are going to try the normal one, the OG KitKat. This is the packaging that we can mostly see in our Malaysian supermarket. Great fit. Tastes as good as the Malaysian one.
The one you can get in Malaysia retail market is the same.
Yeah. This is a dark chocolate one. So let's try. This is a very dark chocolate. I think like all.
Wait. What do you mean by dark chocolate?
It's like a very strong percentage of cocoa. It's not very sweet, which I really like it. But when we are young, we like to eat sweet chocolate. But as I grow older, I appreciate dark chocolate more.
Welcome to old stage.
Let's move on to the matcha. There are 3 types of matcha here, which are strongest matcha. And here it's emphasized nong, means strong.
Wow.
This is the medium strong one, and this is the normal one that we can get. So this matcha is a special product from Kyoto. So let's try the normal one.
Nong.
Oh my god, I love it. So good.
I think now we can get this like in quite commonly in like any retail or supermarket.
Yes, let's try the medium one.
The color looks the same as the previous, the lighter version, I think.
This one is the lighter, medium, and the stronger. This definitely have a stronger matcha flavor compared to the normal one. You can taste the matcha taste really strongly.
At the end part, it just has that small bitter taste to it. But then, as mentioned, heavy, strong means like the matcha flavor is just very dense, very strong, very gone.
Compared to these 3, I love this the most. Which do you like the most?
I prefer it like this because like the matcha taste is really there. It means matcha! I
legit will stock up matcha KitKat.
Now we have the fruits variation, which there are 4. First of all, apple KitKat. First sample of it.
This is the normal strawberry one, and this is the special one, which from Kyoto.
Wow, strawberries, I love it. Alright, so then final of all, orange KitKat.
I'm quite excited about this apple one because maybe it tasted like apple juice or apple bubblegum. It's like apple bubblegum.
Yes, yes, true. It has that bubblegum scent to it.
And the color is chocolate.
Yeah, it doesn't look any different compared to the original KitKat at all.
Oh. I don't like it. Oh. No.
Not flavor?
No.
I won't say it as amazing, but it's just a wow factor to me.
Wow. It's a good wow factor.
Yeah. Normal wow.
Next, orange.
Wow. Orange.
I typically don't like orange mixed product. I just love orange by its own. So let's try this. This tastes like orange.
It has a light orange touch to it. I mean a limey feel, a tangy feel.
That's good. Move on to my favorite strawberry. Wow, the color is so cute.
You know,
Very
this right, it smells like, remember the Pocky, that's like a strawberry flavor? It smells exactly like Pocky.
I love Pocky. I only eat Pocky with the strawberry one.
So I think maybe you like this.
You see like there are little bits of strawberry on it. Tasted like hoppy, but it's a little sour.
Yes.
Really like
A very special vibe. So
the cocoa one. Is it more of like a creamy taste to it? It's more creamier than
yes.
the normal.
And it doesn't have that sour taste to it like the previous KitKat, the strawberry one. So far, we are amazed by the KitKats.
Yeah.
Truly amazing. Now, we're gonna talk about these two first: cheesecake and Bonnie Yam. Wow. Hey, remember Chongsen Dao? Chongsen Dao. Oh my god, big fan of cheesecake.
It has a really milky taste to it.
A very creamy taste, but I don't resemble it to like cheesecake.
Yeah.
But I prefer it. It tastes actually more like strawberry to me, like the previous one we tasted.
But I thought like it will have a more cream cheese taste to it, but instead no anymore. Maybe it's a lavender purple.
Purple yam, purple KitKat. It doesn't smell much though.
It tastes like white chocolate. It does not taste like yam.
True though, it tastes more like white chocolate. But the yam, I can taste it, but just like very small taste of yam. Like a little bit resemblance to it.
Now it's these two. It shows like red bean sandwich on both of them. I could not read Japanese, neither you can. So I think we will just have a taste try.
Wait, is this the one that Doraemon had in
Doriyaki, is it?
Yeah, is it? I'm not sure. It looks like it. Because Doraemon likes red bean doriyaki.
That's brown in color and this white.
It has the very familiar scent to it, but I really couldn't recall what is it.
I think it's a red bean waffle in the middle.
Red bean is like really there, you can feel it.
It's like Tong Tao soup.
Red bean soup.
Yeah. Let's try another. This tasted more like a chocolate taste to it rather than like red bean.
Chocolate definitely overpowers it. Now we'll be having the tea flavored KitKat. So tea flavor, wow! Imagine like your chawong in KitKat flavor. That's crazy.
Let's try. Oh, I'm excited about the bubble tea flavor KitKat.
Oh, bubble tea. Oh, bubble tea.
It smells like oolong cha. This for this. Smells so good. I can see like some tea leaves sentiment on the KitKat.
Alright.
Is there any sentiment on it?
There's no, but this smells like the matcha flavored.
Oh really?
Yeah. It smells like it lah. So let's taste yours first.
Oh. So good. I love it.
The tea really stands out, but there's a sweetness as well lah. But the scent really stands out very strong.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try.
It's like matcha, as you said.
Yeah.
Now it's sweeter to eat, right?
This is sweeter compared to the matcha we tried.
Okay, now it's the alcohol flavor. So here is ume sake.
This sake, yes.
This is Japan sake, and this I believe it is raisin sake, raisin wine.
Sake.
I think so because
I think red wine.
Red wine. Ume sake is major, so they soak the plum into a high percentage of alcohol.
Wow! Oh my god! The scent of the KitKat, it really represents like, wow, the beer is damn strong. You want to smell it?
It's white in color.
Yeah.
Oh!
You know what I'm saying, huh? We get drunk in the afternoon.
Let's try. There's a sour taste at the back tip, but the alcohol does not have a really kick up.
There's a very strong alcohol taste, a very fragrant plum sake.
It's in a good way. Let's try Japan sake. This is what you call alcohol.
But not as strong as the first one we tried.
The first one definitely have a more
stronger punch.
Yeah, stronger punch and stronger alcohol smells to it. And next, raisin. So I think for alcohol series is all in white in color. I think probably it's a cocoa butter.
Sounds like more like white chocolate, but then the scent doesn't come as strong as the first one you tried. Cow spring.
Milky taste to it. White chocolate.
But this is damn strong, I'm telling you. Very strong.
That's good.
So right, if you guys want to have beer or alcoholic drink, but you don't want to like drink it like too obvious, can you try this KitKat? Well, it can make you have the feeling of like having a drink, very strong.
And last but not least, this is a nutty flavor KitKat. I saw that you can customize your KitKat in a shop in Vietnam.
Yes, they used to be one, but I don't think it's there still.
So in my hand, this is the ruby chocolate flavor. On your hand is
almond, and I believe it's like some
berries.
Berries, yeah. Look at this, look at this. The appearance, it really shows that I'm nut.
These nuts!
Let's have the chocolate, almond, KitKat first. Let's go.
The berries give us a sour taste to it.
The almond is not very obvious.
Ruby chocolate.
For this, right, the sour taste, as you mentioned, it really stands out in this ruby taste compared to the previous, the dark chocolate. So that is it for today's KitKat special Japan special episode.
Well, I really appreciate KitKat now.
Like, it gives us like a deeper depth into like what KitKat could taste like in like a variety of flavors. Because the one is seen usually in supermarket, like the original or dark chocolate or matcha, which
and white chocolate, like the crunchy version.
like the other flavors, like first time experience for us, like we're like mind blown by it. Don't you think so?
Yeah. So tell me, which is your favorite flavor?
Alright, so my favorite for today, it has to be the ruby one.
Oh, really?
The ruby, but the mind blowing for me one is the Meiju. That one is like really truly mind blowing. I don't love it in particular, but it just has that very special, like a super wow factor, like wow factor to it.
I think you need to calm down.
For me, I love the strong matcha flavor one. This will be my top pick for today. And this is your top pick for today.
Two topic, ruby and Meiju. So these are like the special ones. I would say special one.
So that's all from today. Click here for more videos and click